Hi people, I'm recording this 4K video on Realme 6 with ultra steady mode switched on. This ultra steady mode came in a recent update from Realme, which is a welcome surprise because at this budget end you do not expect manufacturers to be sending you these updates, especially with these quite significant changes including the ultra steady mode. Now let's walk a bit fast and see if it stays stable. So far it looks so good. 4K can go all the way up to 30 FPS, not 60 FPS, but still at this budget end it's not too bad. Okay, the video looks stable. So now let's do a focusing test and see how it goes. So now let's bring the thumb in, see if it focuses. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, a bit of a struggle, but come on, this is a budget end phone and you are recording at 4K. And still the focusing is not too bad. I have seen Galaxy phones over the years often struggling at 60 FPS, even 4K. They can't focus as quickly as this phone can. So very surprising. You can only imagine how good the 6 Pro would be if Realme 6 is this good. There we go. So guys, that's pretty much me shooting on Realme 6. Impressive camera for the budget, not looking bad at all. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And like always, please subscribe as it helps. And I shall see you in the next video.